Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about JEE Main Paper 2 Exam Pattern 2024 Check Total Marks Marking Scheme Negative Marking Weightage. The joint entrance examination conducted by JEE Apex Board on behalf of NTA. The exam level is all India level. They offer the courses BE, BTech, B Architecture, B Planning, BSc Honours. The exam mode will be conducted in computer-based test, the pen and paper based for drawing section in BA Architecture. The duration of exam will be 3 hours, 3.5 hours for both B Architecture and B Planning. There will be 3 papers. Paper 1 BE or BTech, Paper 2A is BA Architecture, Paper 2B is B Planning. The total marks for BE or BTech is 300, for B Architecture is 400, for B Planning is 400. The total question asked in BE or BTech is 90, for B Architecture is 82 and for B Planning is 105. The exam is conducted in twice a year and the official website of JEE Main is jemain.nta.nic.in. The total questions to be answered in BE or BTech is 75, in B Architecture is 77, in B Planning is 100. You will get 4 marks for each correct response, -1 for each incorrect response, 0 for unattempted questions. The medium of paper will be in 13 languages. Let's check the JEE Main Exam Pattern 2024 for Paper 2A B Architecture. The exam will be conducted partially in computer-based and pen and paper mode. Section include Part 1 Mathematics 20 MCQs plus 10 numeric value based question. In Part 2 Aptitude test consists 50 MCQs. In Part 3 Drawing test consists 2 questions. The total number of questions asked 82. The total number of questions to be answered is 77 questions. In Mathematics 25, in Aptitude 50 and in Drawing 2. Candidates have a choice to answer 5 out of the 10 numerical value answer based question asked in Mathematics. The exam duration will be 3 hours and the medium of exam will be the question paper at all the centers will be in Hindi and English. For exam centers in Gujarat, Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli, the medium of exam will also be available in Gujarati. The marking scheme of JEE Main Paper 2 B Architecture for MCQs +4 for each correct answer, -1 for each incorrect answer, 0 for each unanswered question. For drawing +50 for each correct answer, 0 for each incorrect answer, 0 for each unanswered question. For NAT, +4 for each correct answer, 0 for each incorrect answer, 0 for each unanswered question. For each incorrect answer in MCQs, 1 mark will be deducted, 4 marks for every correct response with a negative marking, -1 in case of any incorrect answer or unattempted question. Let's check the JEE Main Exam Pattern 2024 Paper 2B Planning. The exam mode will be conducted partially in computer-based test mode. The section include Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Part 1 include Mathematics with 20 MCQs plus 5 numeric value-based questions. Part 2 include Aptitude test with 50 MCQs. Part 3 include Planning-based objective type with 25 MCQs. The total number of questions asked 105 questions. The total number of questions to be answered 100 questions. Candidates have a choice to answer 5 out of the 10 numerical value answer based question asked in Mathematics. The exam duration will be 3 hours. The question papers at all exam centers will be in Hindi and English. For exam centers in Gujarat, Daman and Diu and Dadar and Nagar Haveli, the exam medium will also be available in Gujarati. In the marking scheme of Paper 2B, B Planning, in MCQs, +4 for each correct answer, -1 for each incorrect answer, 0 for each unanswered question. For NAT, +4 for each correct answer, 0 for each incorrect answer, 0 for each unanswered question. For each incorrect answer, 1 mark will be deducted. Questions for which answers have a numeric value will fetch 4 marks for every correct response with a negative marking of -1 in case of an incorrect answer or unattempted questions. Let's check the JEE Main Old versus New Exam Pattern. In JEE Main Old Exam Pattern, the total questions was in BE or BTech was 90. In B Architecture or B Planning was 82. Whereas in New Exam Pattern for BE or BTech there is 75 number of questions. For B Architecture 77 number of questions. For B Planning is 100 number of questions. The total marks for BE or BTech was 360. For B Architecture or B Planning was 390. Whereas in New Exam Pattern the total marks will be for BE or BTech is 75. For B Architecture is 77, for B Planning is 100. There was no numeric value based question And whereas in new exam pattern there is numeric value based questions. There was no objective type MCQ in B planning. Now in new exam pattern there is objective type MCQs in B planning. In old exam pattern the mode of language was Hindi, English or Urdu. In new exam pattern the exam will be conducted in 13 languages. In old exam pattern there was two papers which was B Tech or B Architecture. In new exam pattern there will be three numbers of paper which is B Tech, B Architecture and B Planning. Let's check the JEE Main 2024 total marks B Architecture paper. In mathematics 25 maximum question to answer with the total marks of 100. In aptitude 50 maximum question to answer with the total marks of 200. In drawing 2 maximum questions to answer with the total marks of 100. Let's check the JEE Main 2024 total marks for B planning paper. In mathematics 25 maximum question to answer with the total marks of 100. In aptitude 50 maximum question to answer with the total marks of 200. In planning 25 maximum question to answer with the total marks of 100. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.